Hello friends, we have a sea elephant in there, in the white place, but over here, my glasses in there, and we kept the sea elephant over here, by the sea elephant over here, in here, the sensory, can use the sea elephant over here, and I did it, need more answers and we are in the Japan. How to install a telephone over here, and just watching YouTube and get a telephone there. Yeah, click or over here. Turn around. Turn on the telephone over. Click. Oh, hover. And there is a telephone over here. Over my telephone over here is the telephone over here. Are spinning fast over there. Turn on either over. Go in there. Turn on the light in there. And turn on the light. And how does the elephant spinning so fast? Later, Ina, enter. And turn off the light. Turn off the light. And turn off the elephant. And you're watching a video on YouTube. Please click here to subscribe and ring the bell.